Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to the We All Juggle Knives channel and my video review of the Olight Warrior Mini. Here is a closer look at the light itself. As you can see, it has a lot of texture for grip. It's got a side switch and a tail switch, so it's a dual switch design. It has a TIR lens. Now the maximum lumens on this light, 1,500. And the maximum beam distance is 190 meters. Alright, it's got 5 different brightness levels if you count the ultra low mode, and then it has one special mode which is strobe. Now if you want to see the other stats, including the lumen levels of the other brightness levels as well as the run times, I will include a link in the text description box which will go to Olight's website and the stats page, and you can comb over all the stats on this at your convenience. It comes with a removable pocket clip and that charging cable. Now from the 25th through the 30th, Olight is having a crazy, huge holiday sale on their website. This item right here is going to be 30% off. Right? That's titanium alloy, by the way. Yeah, I mean, this thing is beautiful. 30% off. And then they have a whole bunch of other colors. They have one that's copper. I mean, I'll include links and details, but yeah. Definitely check that out. I got some other stuff here upcoming. This is their new, it runs on a single AA battery, super convenient. Right, that's this model. Also on their sale, they're giving away that for free. This little keychain light. Now I'm not sure if there's a minimum purchase or whatever, but basically all you have to do is log in, and this automatically goes in your cart for free. Normally it's $20. Alright, so $20 gift. I mean, that's awesome. And look, it matches my previous Olight that I like to keep on my keychain. Different batteries. Alright, and that model is that. Again, so $20 item. They're throwing it in for free for their holiday sale. That's an awesome deal. So I'll include details to that. Basically, up to 45% off all kinds of different stuff on their website. So go check that out. I'm trying to save you money. I'm trying to get you deals so you have a Merry Christmas. It also comes with the single 18650 lithium-ion battery. To get at the battery, just unscrew the body of the light from the head of the light. And this is the battery that it came with. To recharge that battery in the light, just hook up that cable to any USB power source. That is a power bank, and as you can see, the docking station, it's magnetic. Alright, so that's very convenient. You don't need a separate charger to charge that battery. Alright, operation of the light. To turn it on, press the side switch. To turn it off, press the side switch. Once it is on, you can cycle through low, medium, and high by pressing and holding. Let's do that now. Alright, now double tap will bring you to turbo. Wow, I can feel the heat. Warning, strobe. Triple tap brings strobe. That's the strobe. Now when it is off, if you press and hold, you will get to an ultra low mode. And there is the ultra low mode. Alright, now let's do the tail switch. Warning, there's going to be a lot of flashing here because it's pretty necessary in order to explain. Okay. So if you half press this, you will get turbo. Hold on. If you full press, it'll go to strobe. Right, but you can change that setting, and I'll tell you how. Alright, full press, and then press the side switch. Alright, now you have changed that setting to a half press will give you medium, and a full press will now give you turbo. And to change that back, you just, again, you press the side switch while that's on, and now it's changed back. Now I prefer this setting, which is, instant turbo and instant strobe. One reason I like that setting is because a triple tap to the side switch for strobe is it's just kind of a little too slow, a little awkward, a triple tap. It's much easier just to press this under stress and get the instant strobe. Alright, so I do like that. Alright, at this time let me roll in the footage from out in the field testing and demonstrating this light, and then we'll come back for final thoughts. Hey, what's up YouTube? We're out here on the testing board with this Olight. Now this is the ultra low mode. I don't know if you can see that, but there it is. Let's cycle through the brightness levels. Alright, so that is the high mode. Let's go turbo. Wow. And that is the turbo. Alright, also, you see the lit side switch there. Alright, warning, we're going to strobe. And there is the strobe. Alright YouTube, we're out on the road in the middle of the night with this Olight flashlight. And we are on the road with no lights. Well, except the light that we brought. No street lights. Let's just see what we can see. If you broke down on a country road, this light would be very useful. Alright YouTube, here is a top view of the beam shot from this Olight going down the road. Nice river of light, especially with that TIR lens. Let's go check out the creek. Okay YouTube, here we are overlooking Frog Creek with this Olight. That's turbo. We got some ice. Got some ice down there at the creek. Yeah, it's getting cold. Up to the treetops. Lighting up the creek. You can see the water down there. It's pretty bright down there because of this Olight. And without the light, you would see nothing. Yeah, doing an excellent job at Frog Creek. Yeah, not much around here, except for the deer and the raccoons, and occasionally a coyote. And there was even a bear sighted. Supposedly there was a bear sighted here, but that's very rare. Maybe once in every 5 years, there might be a bear. Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm standing in the middle of the sports field. I'm going to show you this Olight at 50 meters. Alright, so let's check out the goal. And there is one goal, and this is about, about half the field. Let's check out the other one. Yeah, there's a lot less haze on this side, so you can see that. Wow, you can see that very clearly. Alright, so this is the Olight at 50 meters. I figured this would be the most useful distance because this is not meant as like a super thrower. But, where is it? There you go. Yeah, so it does an excellent job lighting up that goal from the center of the field. Wow. Yeah, doing an excellent job. Alright, so that's the Olight at the sports field. Hey, what's up YouTube? Just another shot for you. I'm at the bridge that leads to the sports field. And what's over here? Well, just more Bigfoot territory, more Bigfoot habitat. And across the bridge we've got basically a lake. Alright, it's all hazy now. Yeah, there's a lot of fog over that lake, but oh, you can see wow, you can actually see the far shore, right? You can actually see the far shore of this lake. Wow, it's doing pretty well. There's the water. Alright YouTube, let's get back for final thoughts on this Olight. Alright YouTube, we are back, so I hope you enjoyed that. Final thoughts on the Olight Warrior Mini. I like that it's rechargeable. I like that it has the same interface as many of my other Olights. I definitely like the tail switch. I think that's a must for a tactical light. It's just easier to operate under stress. And when you have it set, you can have it set for basically instant turbo or instant strobe. It doesn't get faster than that. It's very useful at practical distances, right? You saw the demo at 50 meters, right? If someone is you know, if someone is hundreds of meters away, to me, it's pretty hard to say that that was self-defense, right? So within 50 meters, I think, is more practical in most situations, all right? Maybe not in warfare, but in most situations, when I'm patrolling, if there's a bump in the night, right? I hear something in the backyard, it's going to be within 50 meters. Well, all right, YouTube, I hope you enjoyed this video, and check out that sale because it just looks crazy. I mean, up to 45% off. That's going to be a Merry Christmas. They had some insane deals. They have like a 6-tiered, basically rewards system. The more you buy, the more stuff they just give you. All right, so go check that out. All right, this has been We All Juggle Knives and Flashlights. I'm out.